Thick walls, constant vigilance and cutting-edge technology. This is where India's soldiers stand guard against every threat. Times Now gets you exclusive access inside a security forces bunker near the Indo-Pak border. Take a look.
Bunkers are the assets of a soldier when it comes to the battlefield. We are not going to disclose you the location from where we are reporting right now, but definitely we are going to take you inside the bunker so as to show that how a bunker from inside look like, where the soldiers hide themselves, and not just that but also target the enemies. And in fact they are built in a special way. They are not just the bunkers to hide, but they are also the lifeline of the soldiers. So Times Now in fact will be taking you inside these bunkers and will show you these pictures inside, that how a bunker looks like from inside. Remember that these bunkers, are built in a special way, in a special manner, so as to hide for the soldiers, so as the soldiers could hide themselves here inside these bunkers. And in fact if we walk just few steps, then there is a window, there is a view from where the enemy could be targeted easily. Remember that these structures are made up of thick concrete so that they can face the heavy shelling, firing, and in fact also the mortars that are fired at a time when the tension escalates. And not just one, but there are a number of bunkers that have been built over here, say at the LOC or at the India-Pakistan international border as well. And these are made up with the special structures, and their construction is in such a way that the enemy could not trace it easily. They are halfway down, halfway up. That means they are underground bunkers. And in fact now we'll show you the visuals over here from this particular window, where you can see that how the other side, that means the side of the enemy, that Pakistan side, is easily visible from this particular area. And also in fact remember that these particular these windows from where you're from where we are reporting right now, these help these soldiers, Indian soldiers in fact, to target the enemy, to trace the enemy. And there is this another way from where you can get out. There are two ways from where you can come in. You can in fact at a time of heavy firing or shelling, you can stop here, you can stay here, you can protect yourself over here from such kind of shelling or cross-border firing, and then you can quickly move forward, use that window to fire, to target the enemy, and again back to the ground on the battlefield. So that was a complete comprehensive coverage from inside a bunker, so as to get a view that what our soldiers in fact have to go through when it comes to battlefield. It is certainly not an easy job. Every soldier, every Indian soldier is definitely a hero for all of us, because they have been safeguarding our borders in every Indian as well.